In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create call-only ads in Google Ads. These ads are designed specifically for mobile users and help you drive direct phone calls to your business. The process is simple, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a fully functional call campaign. Let's get started. First, log in to your Google Ads account and head to the main overview page. This is a central area where you can view all your active campaigns and account performance. Once you're here, look at the left-hand menu and click the Campaigns tab. This will display a full list of every campaign you're currently running. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, you'll want to move to the Ads tab. This section shows all your ads organized by campaign and ad group. At the top of the page, you'll see a plus icon. The button you'll use to create a new ad, click the plus symbol, and from the options that appear, select Call Ad. Call ads are designed to encourage customers to call your business directly instead of visiting a website, making them ideal for service-based businesses or teams focused on phone conversions. Google will now ask you to choose which campaign your new ad should belong to. Pick the campaign you want to use for call-only targeting, preferably one focused on mobile users or local customers. After selecting the campaign, choose the appropriate ad group. This helps keep your ads organized and ensures the message aligns with the audience you're targeting. Now it's time to build the ad itself. Start by entering your business phone number. Make sure the number is correct because this is what users will tap to call, then enter your final URL. Even though call ads prioritize phone calls, Google still requires a destination URL for policy purposes. Next, write your headline and 2 short descriptions. These lines should quickly explain what your business offers and why someone should call right now. Focus on clarity, benefits, and urgency. For example, highlight fast service, free estimates, 24-hour support, or anything unique to your business. Once you've added all of the details, take a moment to review everything. Make sure your phone number, descriptions, and URL are accurate. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your call-only ad is now active and ready to connect customers to your business straight from their mobile devices. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a call-only ad campaign in Google Ads. This setup is perfect for driving real-time phone leads and boosting immediate customer engagement. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy, effective digital marketing guides.